In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or deactivate a user in Salesforce. Managing users effectively is crucial to maintaining the security and efficiency of your Salesforce organization. Whether you need to remove access for someone who's leaving your company or just update your active user list, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First, you'll want to navigate over to your Salesforce homepage where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in, head to the homepage, which sets the stage for everything we'll be doing. Next, you will need to access your user settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the Quick Settings icon, and clicking this will open up a menu, and from there you want to select Open Advanced Setup. This option will take us deeper into the settings where we can manage our users effectively. When the Advanced Setup page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you'll type in users to quickly locate the section where all users are managed. Once the page loads, click on Users to open up a list of everyone with access to your Salesforce org. This list may be extensive depending on your organization's size, but don't worry, navigating it is relatively straightforward. Here comes an essential part of our process. You need to choose a user to deactivate. Look through the list and find the person whose access you wish to manage. Once you've found them, there's a small arrow symbol next to their name, usually at the end of the row. Clicking on this drop-down menu will present more options concerning this user. You'll then see an Edit User option. Click on this to open up the user's detail page. This page provides everything you need to know about the user, but our main area of focus is the Active checkbox. This checkbox determines whether the user has active access to your Salesforce organization. To deactivate a user, you'll want to make sure this box is unchecked. This is crucial. Only users with an unchecked box are considered deactivated. Once you've unchecked the active box, you will need to confirm your change. Look for an OK button or something similar and click it. This step is simple but ensures that all changes are tracked and reviewed. Finally, you make it all official by hitting the Save button. Once you do this, the user's status in your org is updated and they will no longer have active access unless you decide to reactivate them in the future. Remember, whether deactivating or deleting, the choice largely depends on whether you might need the user later. Make sure you choose the option that best fits your current organizational needs. That's it. You've successfully managed the user statuses in Salesforce.